been here the whole time.
Okay.
We got to give
Kelsey
Kelsey
is
the
now
super crew.
Kelsey's all shifts, all times.
Marathon day for
All right.
Kels. I was really excited
I'm going
about
to
this one.
sign off, everybody. It's been lovely. See you next time. 12 to 4, out.
Anything with the tribble?
All right.
I
I think we should
Ready?
I think that's a good
start
idea.
setting up.
All right.
Yeah.
Ready to swap?
I don't know.
Huh?
Ready to swap?
If you want.
People.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well,
She's a little.
No. Just
I think, yeah, 2 minutes.
Get as many. Let's get as much time in you as you can. Huh?
This is your friendly reminder to mute yourself before you take your headset out or move it around on your head.
Your poor ears.
It's so bad. Sarah.
we've only got a week left.
Yeah.
Did we get in a week from today?
Why is it
Yeah.
going that way, Johan?
29th.
That's
How
the way
many-
cruises go. It's
Yeah.
like you start, you can't see the finish line, and then there's a day when suddenly you
Are you
see,
sure your instrument's
see
not
the
up
end of the
backwards?
cruise
Yeah.
on your calendar.
How many more dives
All
are we
right.
planning?
Ready for me to start coming up?
No.
I think we're trying to do about one a day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at least.
So what, another 6, hopefully?
Yeah, I have to look at our little spreadsheet, but I think,
Some more vents?
I think,
right.
yes. So tomorrow's
I didn't hear you,
dive
Dan. Ready for me to start coming up, or?
will be similar to this one. We're
Seamount.
on the West Mariana Ridge, where it's
Am I holding
about,
off, or?
I don't know,
Yeah,
6
stand
hours
by.
south of here. So
Let me
a
turn.
little bit more of a circular seamount, but similar. Very shallow. Well, we won't start as deep.
But that was the cool part.
That was the best bit.
Yeah, well. Well, I think we'll aim for
Yeah, let me
four
try and
or
figure out what's
500
going on.
instead of 1,000.
Wow.
Just and make a little bit shorter dive. That's tomorrow. Then the day after that, we're going to a black smoker site on the back arc.
Cool.
It's pretty extraordinary.
Yeah.
Nice.
Will it still be smoking? Because we've had a lot of
That's-
disappointments
Yeah,
so
well,
far.
we're going to find out. It was only discovered in 2016, hasn't been returned to since,
Oh, okay.
but it has some very spectacular, or it had some very spectacular chimney. One of them's 30 meters high.
Wow. And how
What's
long?
it called?
And over 300 degrees C,
Wow.
pumping out the top,
Wow.
covered with all kinds of life. It's, yeah, and there's a whole set of vents. They're all different from one another. It's very cool, so
Yeah.
we'll see.
What's
In
that vent called?
the left-hand corner of the
Half a
Atalanta
die
cam, we might be
vent
seeing
field.
something that's
Oh.
fluorescing because all the lights are off. Look up at the top. If it gets back into view, it's in like the top left, right there.
I thought it had been a lens
what is
flare.
that? Oh no, that's
I
a,
think it's a lens flare.
yeah, it's a
Oh.
lens
Sorry.
flare. Yeah.
Darn.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Poor Kelsey.
It happened to me
she's-
earlier.
She's been in here so
I'm
long, she's
hallucinating.
hallucinating.
Oh,
there it is.
Tennifor?
It-
Oh,
It's an
yeah.
alien.
Cool.
Cool, I'm
Just trying the iris up.
hallucinating.
Yeah. Great.
Sorry.
No, no, it's
Too
not your fault.
soon.
No. It's me, it's my eyes, it's not you.
Yeah, so that's in 2 dives, so.
Do
Nice.
those smokers have a lifespan?
Yeah, but we don't know what that is. Some are very stable, have been going for years without much change. Other ones, like we saw at Burke, run their,
Run their course?
and run, yeah.
How long had Burke, when was the last time Burke had been visited?
Well, it was discovered in 1987. Then we visited it in 2016, and it was waning. And then this year, it's pretty much gone, yeah.
Wow, look at all that.
Yeah. So we got shrimp, we got snails,
Snails and limpets.
limpets, crabs. See the
yeah.
little crabby guy?
Oh yeah. Probably other small things among them.
Mm-hmm.
All the small things, true care, waiting. Little Blink 182 for you, right? Bless you. Yeah.
There's also a site called Voodoo Crater.
Do we have time to go to Voodoo Crater?
Oh yeah, that's
Okay.
that's at the same place.
Okay, great.
Yeah. Named for Voodoo Donuts in Portland, Oregon.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it looks like a donut.
Thought you were
Yeah.
starting to
In
say
the- on
there's
the
an
map.
online site to go to.
No.
Oh wait, a
I am-
second. So there's a species event barnacle described from the half-a-day vent
Mhm.
field, named after Verena.
Oh,
I'm guessing, seeing as it's called Volcanolepis verenae.
very nice.
Aw.
Yeah.
And half a day event. I like that. Half a day is hello.
It's called the half a day event?
Yeah.
The half
Oh,
a day
Vent,
event,
nice.
vent field, because
Vent
there's many
field,
vents
yeah.
there.
Yeah. Half a day is in Tiro.
How far are we from Guam now?
We're at, what, 16 degrees latitude? Is that, where's our lat long?
Here.
Yeah,
Oh, 18.
We're at 18.
Yeah, so, right, 18. So we're still, Guam's down at 13. Can't do the math.
We are 7 days away
We're
from Guam.
Yeah. There you go.
Sorry.
Still
I know
pretty far.
I know that's not the answer you're looking for.
We are, we're 7
Here we
days.
go.
Oh yeah, we are.
Named after Verena tunicliffe for her contribution to hydrothermal vent research, including the discovery of the present new species.
Very cool.
There you go.
Love that.
New species.
And she is on the ship with us.
Mm-hmm.
And hopefully we can maybe find some other new species.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's my whole job. If I don't come up with any, I'll never be allowed back.
Do we have an estimated time for tomorrow? Or are we just plan it by ear because of all of the changing today?
Yeah, I think
It's on the board.
it's on the board, but I imagine it will change based on the AUV.
Yeah, what's the, of course, yeah, it's in the WhatsApp approximation.
If transit, yeah, we're probably just like an hour behind that schedule though.
Yeah.
Let's see.
So the AUV dive will start around 11 p.m. Maybe, if all things
Tonight.
go, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So Bill,
Mm-hmm.
this is my first unnamed, unexplored seamount. Is that kind of how it goes? Where you just don't know what you're in for?
Certainly if nobody's been there before. Well,
Yeah.
I mean, the way we went about exploring sites was, if we're looking for hydrothermal vent sites, which our group usually was, then the first thing to do was map the seafloor so you know what you're looking at in terms of bathymetry, and then do CTD casts.
To try and find the warmer water? Or no?
Right, to look for evidence of hydrothermal venting, because the vents send plumes up in the water column, and with a combination of temperature and salinity and chemical sensors, you can map them out.
Yeah.
And so you do that without an ROV. So we typically would do a two-stage exploration. First with the mapping and the CTDs, find the plumes, and then we'd return later, like a year later, with an ROV, and then dive at those sites that looked the most promising or interesting or whatever. And then if possible, in the first year, we don't like when we were exploring for new vent sites in the southern half of the back arc. Also in that first year, we had AUV Sentry with us, and we did high resolution mapping of the seafloor in those vent site areas, because that really helps in finding things with an ROV later. So that's an extra step that can help. Yeah, so then we returned with an ROV and then found the sites on this, with the, so then you're not, there's something that you're looking for in the area, and you have a lot of information to help you locate it, and that works pretty well. So, in contrast, we're going to places where we have much less information, and we don't know what we're going to find at all. But, in some ways it's kind of fun too. Like, I mean, wasn't IE a thrill, right?
Yeah.
I mean, we had some information there too, but
Did we
like a place like today, when no one's visited and we just don't know what we're going to find.
Yeah.
Then it's, that's the way it is.
Yeah. I think the thing that was really interesting to me was just like the sheer amount of ground that we had to cover, and and the currents that we were encountering as well.
Yeah, that's the thing about going shallow.
Yep.
Is you really have to battle the currents a lot more.
Yep.
At deep, the currents are small, generally. Sometimes the ship still has to deal with them, but the ship has more power than the ROV.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Overall, though, not as much.
There was more at the bottom than at the top.
Yeah, crazy. That was totally upside down.
Yeah.
Why was that? I don't get
Well,
it.
maybe not more, because technically there was all the algae.
Yeah, I'm not
Yeah.
sure, because your
Yeah.
volume is hitting the right marks.
I think it's
I'm just gonna.
yeah.
Did I?
But those huge sponges and
Yeah, they were amazing.
they were only in the deepest
The
part.
corals,
That's
Yeah.
really
yeah.
surprising.
I think it was,
Might be more disturbance at the top.
yeah, like too much current,
Yeah.
too
What
much
if I
weight.
talk
Oh,
on
I see.
SPL?
Yeah.
Can you hear me then?
Right. In terms of
And
settling and colonizing and
the ash layers also maybe provided nice texture, like a decent substrate for things to settle on. I
yeah,
don't know.
there did seem to be an association with that. I
Yeah.
mean, maybe it did
'Cause
have something to do with it.
It was like as soon as we left those ash
Right,
layers,
then the bottom changed and so
Yeah.
did the biology. Yeah, I wonder if that has something to do with it.
geology influences biology. This is what we've been
Yeah,
saying.
the new lesson that
Yeah.
we're all learning
Yeah.
over and over. Yeah,
Eva,
I
have you
wonder.
seen any known, have you read any papers where there's known associations between like different rock substrate types, either like chemically composed or the actual physicality of it?
I'm sure I probably have. Nothing's immediately coming to mind
Yeah.
because I mostly work on soft bottom sediment communities. But I mean, there's loads, and like in all areas of the ocean, the quality and the type of sediment impacts what animals live there. So the type of rock almost certainly does as well.
Yeah, because it really does seem like as soon as we moved out of that kind of substrate type.
Yeah. It'd be interesting to go back and look at the video and see if that holds up. Yeah.
Yeah. Good thing we have transects,
Yeah.
but not at the deep site. I think that would have been tough with that topography.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it'll also be interesting to see if this next site is the same or different. So we're planning to come up on the south side instead of the north side. Maybe that'll have some difference. Or also, there's kind of a ridge,
Yeah.
a narrow ridge that we're going to go up and see if that is any different.
Are we planning on running transects on the next dive too, or no?
If you want, yeah.
I think it would be a good idea. Have a comparative analysis, but
Yeah.
I also don't want it to interrupt the way.
Didn't seem like it did
Okay.
today. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it'd be interesting to do like like do our normal kind of follow the contour and then do a vertical transect and then do your normal contour and then a vertical transect. And so that way you're getting both dimensions of coverage. I don't know. Spitballing. I guess it depends on what the map shows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw that eel.
Yeah.
That was pretty cool.
I didn't
That
see
was
the
cool.
eel.
Yeah.
Do you think what were the fish doing there?
I thought it could have been a cleaning station.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh.
But it seemed like he was in a little hole,
He
didn't
was in
it?
a little hole, yeah.
Maybe there's buddies.
Yeah, they could just be buddies. They could just be hanging out. Could be an association. Yeah.
Like they eat the crumbs when he eats
Yeah.
something
Yeah.
else. I don't know.
I know. I don't know. I'm not familiar with that species of fish, but I did see one in its, like, it looked like it was in its mouth.
Okay.
Right when the ROV
Cleaning.
pulled up. Yeah. But it also could have been the angle of the camera too. And the fish was just in front of it. Because I do normally associate cleaner shrimp with cleaning stations. Go figure. But smaller fish do perform that task as well. Yeah, that was right at the end of the last transect.
Mm-hmm.
We wrapped that one up pretty fast and went back down. And we did see some black coral as well, but one that had already been well sampled. So
Okay.
we didn't need to pull it.
Yeah, that last talk I gave, you know, the last video of the smoker, that's from half a day.
Oh, okay.
Oh, cool.
I want to find some amphipods. We haven't got a single amphipod so far from any site. And they're really what I work on. But you do get them at vents.
But they're small, huh?
Yeah, you'd have to
Suction.
suction them.
Do you think they've been there and we just haven't seen them? Or
They're not super common at vents. There's not that many described. The ones I'm looking at right now are from vents in the Pacific.
okay.
From the
How
Okinawa.
small?
Anywhere from like that to like that.
Oh, okay.
Maybe.
Really small for
So,
what
yeah.
we've been working with.
Yeah.
Easy
So,
to,
but I
easy
mean,
to
if
miss, yeah.
if the vents, if there's lots of stuff, the best way to sample a lot of small stuff, just slurp it all up, and then we can sort
Sort it
through it.
out,
Yeah. But from what I can see, there's no published lists of what lives there, so that's something we can work on.
Verena probably has a list.
She probably has a list, but it's not published.
I think she told me there was a paper on the snails.
Okay.
Because there's the Voodoo crater is full of snails.
Right.
And Amanda Bates's student, I think she mentioned,
Yeah.
either published or maybe it's not quite published yet. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Well, these things usually take a while to.
See how good Google is, huh?
I could definitely go for some voodoo
okay.
donuts right now.
Is
Have
this
you-
is
have you
this
been
like
there?
a type of
Donut.
Like
It's
a
like a specialty donut shop.
okay?
But they have like every
Yeah.
weird flavor you could ever imagine.
But also all the good ones.
Okay.
I'm just going to have to Google it.
And we're back to food again.
Of course.
There's a theme.
Oh yeah, here you go. There's something published on the snails.
There is.
Yeah, some genetic work.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I have this open on my laptop. I remember looking at this.
I want to see some pictures.
No
plots,
pictures.
data. That's boring.
I know.
You want to look at something fun? These are all their donuts.
Oh.
What are the weird flavors?
Well, some I can't repeat on the
Yeah, I
air.
was gonna say a lot of these you can't really
There's a bacon maple bar,
Uh-huh.
a strawberry ring and round sprinkles, a mango tango,
Nice.
a Portland cream, a raspberry Romeo, a churro, a cinnamon sugar cake.
The one is, I think my favorite donuts are just like plain.
I like an old-fashioned,
So
like the
do
sour
I.
cream donut. Yeah.
That's my favorite.
Yeah, mine too.
Glazed?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the perfect donut.
The maple old-fashioned is also, oh, I'm talking
Oh, what about that
this
one in the
kind.
bottom
Hey
right?
guys, just
Yeah,
a really
yeah.
quick reminder, we are at 50 meters, so
Okay.
Oh,
only
sorry.
operational
Thank you.
talk from
Thank
yeah,
you,
no
sorry.
worries.
Thank you.
Control, back deck. Just checking in with you guys, see how everything's moving.
Deck control, we are all stop at 50 and ready to start coming up for recovery.
Deck copies, all stop 50 meters, ready for recovery. Break, bridge, back deck. Permission to go ahead and recover the vehicles.
Turvy to recover.
Thank you, bridge. Control deck, I have eyes on Hercules coming up just to starboard of the A-frame.
Copy, Herc just starboard of the A-frame.
Control, back deck. That is Hercules, 10 meters from the transom.
Control copies, Herc, 10 meters from the transom.
Control deck, that's Hercules passing the transom.
Copy, Herc past the transom. Deck control, power secure.
Deck copies, power is secured.